Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Bumble. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Bumble. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to bumble.com. Here, tap Sign In. You can choose to continue with Facebook, Apple, or your phone number. We will be using our phone number, so enter your phone number and tap Continue. Now enter the one-time password sent to your phone to verify. And that's how you log in to Bumble. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.